Alright, so this is going to be the remake video of this 54-inch brushed nickel Hampton Sidewinder. It comes in brushed nickel finish, and the light doesn't work on this ceiling fan, but I could show it to you right now. So there it is. Give it to you. There it is. It's very cool. These nice blades, and the I'm not sure if this ceiling fan has reversible blades though, but you know, these blades are there. It's pretty dirty though. So the blades, here's the blades. There's the top of it. It's on a down rod. And I've heard that this ceiling fan was pretty noisy, but it doesn't make a noise anymore. So yeah, I guess I'll go ahead and demonstrate it to you. So there it is. I guess I'll start off on low speed. As you could see, the blades are turning. And I'm only showing this on one speed because the medium and high speeds, the noise gets worse on them. This ceiling fan, it does blow a decent amount of air. I mean, I'll give it that, but it's just, it doesn't really fit well in my room. So yeah. And also, this ceiling fan is going to be replaced with the Hampton Glendale, the 42-inch one, in white. So I think it'll look really cool in my room. And as you can tell, my bedroom is it's a smaller room. So I think that 42-inch Hampton Glendale white ceiling fan will be able to fit in here. I'll wait until it gets to 6:59 and then I'll turn it back off. Alright, so go ahead and turn it off. And there you go. That is the remake video of the 54-inch Hampton-based Sidewinder. Hope you enjoyed.